Hi guys, welcome back to iCADTUTOR channel. If you are looking for a training exercise in AutoCAD, you are in the right place. In this video, I am going to teach you how to draw these two plans using AutoCAD software. I will use the line command and other drawing aids to draw these plans. But before I start drawing, I want to point out one thing. It's an important point that you should pay attention to. Guys, if you are given a plan to draw in AutoCAD, check and study that plan carefully before you start drawing. Check the dimensions and the sizes. Check, for example, in which parts you have the sizes and in which parts you don't. In some cases, you have to calculate to find the size. So check the plan completely before drawing. So with these descriptions in mind, let's start drawing these two plans in AutoCAD. First, let me move this plan. Okay, I start with this one. As I already said, I need to check the plan first. Here I see that I don't know the length of this line. So I shouldn't start drawing from this line, and it's better to come to this line at the end. Okay, no problem. I check and see that I know the lengths of the other lines. I can start from here and connect the end point to the first point. You can start from here, or you can draw this part first and then draw this part and connect them. There are lots of ways to draw plans, but you must choose the easiest and fastest way to draw. Now let's see how we can draw this plan accurately. First, I need to enable the drawing aids, which are very important. The first drawing aid is OSnap. I have taught these drawing aids in the first part of the AutoCAD tutorial. If you haven't seen that video yet, I suggest you don't miss it. Guys, if you have watched my previous videos, you probably know that I like to draw using shortcuts. So I press F3 in order to enable the OSnap. Enabled. Now I must enable one of the ortho or polar tracking drawing aids. You can watch the first part of the AutoCAD tutorial for more. I'm going to work with both in this video, so I'll activate them in due course. In cases where we have horizontal and vertical lines, we use ortho. And here I see that I have to draw lots of horizontal and vertical lines. So I enable ortho. I use the shortcut F8. Now the ortho is enabled. Now I need to activate the line tool in order to draw these lines. Here is the line tool. I use the shortcut type L, press enter. I start from this point. So I specify the first point by clicking anywhere on the drawing area. I click here. Now that the ortho is enabled, I can easily draw vertical and horizontal lines. Here I wanna draw a horizontal line in this direction. So I move the mouse in this direction, not this direction. In this direction, type 25, press enter. So simple. Now this direction, 100, enter. Now this line, this direction, 35, enter. This line, I know the length, 10. Now 26, enter. This line in this direction, 30, enter. This direction, 15, enter. This line, 33, enter. 10, enter. Now this line, you can click on this point to draw the line. Or type C, press enter to connect the end point to the first point. So in this way you can draw the similar plans. Now let's move on to the next plan. This time I wanna use the polar drawing aid. I use the shortcut F10 to enable it. Okay. Again the line tool, L enter. Oh no, I forgot. What should I do first? I must check the plan first. I check and see that here I don't know the length of this line, so I can't start from this part. I check further and see I know the lengths of other lines, and I also know the size of the angles. I will give you more information about these angles. Okay, so I start drawing and at the end connect the end point to the start point. Activate the line tool, specify the first point. I click here. Now I wanna draw this line, horizontal and the length 50. Now that the polar is enabled, as I already said in the previous videos, the green dotted lines will appear that will help you to draw horizontal or vertical lines. Now in this direction I wanna draw a horizontal line. Type 50, press enter. Now this angular line. If you remember, as I said in the first part of AutoCAD tutorial, the angle I need to draw an angular line is the angle that this line makes with the horizontal axis. But here I know this angle, whereas I need this angle. Now what should I do? I must calculate. I subtract 100 from 180, so the angle will be 80. First I type the length 30. Press tab to enable the angle. Now I can easily enter the angle 80. Press enter. Now I wanna draw this line in this direction, a horizontal line. 23, enter. Now this line. Again I need the angle that this line makes with the horizontal axis. "25", press tab, enter the angle. 30, enter. Now this line, vertical line, 20, enter. Now this angular line. I need to find the angle that the line makes with the horizontal axis. I know this angle, and here is a right angle, 90. 90 plus 150, it becomes 240. So I subtract 240 from 360, it becomes 120. Now I know the angle. 22, tab, the angle 120. So simple. A horizontal line in this direction, 20, enter. Vertical in this direction, 20, enter. Now this line. Here I know the angle between the line and the horizontal axis. First enter the length, 33, tab, 120. In this direction, 24, enter. Now this line. Here I wanna draw a line, pay attention, we have done this together before in the first part of AutoCAD tutorial. I want the second point compared to the first point to move 17 units on the opposite direction of x-axis, negative 17. Now press comma and 29 units on the opposite direction of y-axis, negative 29, enter. So simple. After this line, now this one, in this direction, 20, enter. Now this line. Here I know the angle between the line and the horizontal axis. It is 65. Specify the direction. In this direction, the length 45, tab, 65, press enter. So simple. Now you can type C, press enter, or click on the start point to draw the last line. So in this way you can draw similar plans. Well guys, I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please like the video and leave a comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos and exercises. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye until the next video.